it's Chloe here from the Fitbeast Academy, and today we're going to be keeping with the resistant band workouts, and we're going to do a shoulder workout. This is great functional training and really good for stabilizing and getting the range of motion within your shoulders. If you don't have resistance bands, you can do this workout without, or just pick up some little dumbbells and you can do it with them also. This workout is sponsored by Fitbeast. Check out the link below and you can get 15% off your very own resistance band kit. I'm going to show you the exercises. We're going to do 5 exercises and we're going to do 4 rounds, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off. Let's go guys with exercise number 1. So holding either end of the resistance band in either hand, and you're going to place a foot in the middle just off center, helping us gain the resistance throughout the band. Middle hand, redundant in this exercise. You're going to lift the hand up that's on the outer edge of your body up, coming through a bicep curl to here, okay? And this is our starting position, which is here, okay? Elbow nice and in line with our shoulder, up nice and tall, ready to punch up. From this position, we're going to punch up, down, back to where we started, and then come across the body here. And then out, up, and across. Okay, just see how the wrist rotates so it faces away from the body and then it comes in to face towards you. Okay, and when we get going with this workout, we will be doing 30 seconds on each side. I'll just show you the other side also. Good. And this is really good for mobility throughout the shoulders. Nice and slowly does it. We don't want to rush through these exercises. Slow pace and keep up the momentum throughout. So exercise number 2, we're going to do an upright row. So again, I want you to stand both feet inside the resistant band this time, around hip width apart. And then we're going to cross the handles. So we've got a cross within your resistance band like so. Now from here, all I want you to do is bend through the knees, hinge a little at the hips so you're nice and grounded on the floor. And then we're going to just bring our arms up to here and then down. Okay, you want your elbows coming nice and horizontal and then down. And again, 30 seconds once we get going. With the Fitbeast resistant bands, if you're using these, I want you to place your feet in the center of the handles. If you're using a normal resistance band with a full loop, it doesn't matter where you place your feet on those ones. Now, what I want us to do is place the resistance band around our arms, so crossing over the bicep, and we're going to place our hands together like so, almost in like a prayer position, and we're going to bring our arms together down like here. Move the arms up to horizontal and then back down. Good. And then up to horizontal and down. Keeping the core engaged, back nice and flat. Good. And that is exercise number 3. So this is the last exercise as part of today's workout. And I'm just going to make the tension stronger by wrapping the resistant bands around my fists a few times just to gain the extra tension within the band. But entirely up to you what band you have. You could just use the smaller bands and it'll make life a lot easier. Okay, so we're going to place our arms up, feet around hip width apart, nice slight bend in the legs. And then from there we're going to come out as wide as we can and then back up. Nice and strong, core engaged, spine nice and aligned. And then we're just going to come out and up. Good, really working through the shoulders here. Try not to use brute strength, just nice and controlled, slow movements. Really getting the functionality through the shoulder. Good. And that is our final exercise. So just to recap, we have 5 exercises, 4 rounds, 30 seconds on, working, 10-second rest in between to change up the position of the resistance band. Let's go guys with today's shoulder mobility workout.
Seekers in the fast lane, I'll pass them by on my own way. I got dreams as big as mountains. Yeah, I'm heading out there to chase it.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain.
Last round, guys. Give all you've got. Let's go. Pump up the energy. Should be feeling that burn. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Last exercise. Let's go, guys. I hope you felt the burn there, guys. That's a great little workout for getting the mobility, but also the strength throughout the shoulders. Enjoy, and remember, check out the link Fitbeast below. You can get 15% off your very own resistance band kit. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you next week. Goodbye.